Today I'm going to share to you how to go from a blank Excel to an org chart in just simple steps using Excel. So bear in mind I'm using Office 365, and in the About tab of this Excel version it says it has the 2005 version with this build, and I'm currently on the current channel of the distribution updates of Excel. So let us begin. We start here the Excel on the Home channel, on the Home tab, sorry. We navigate here to the Insert tab. We go here to the Get Add-ins. You don't need a Visio license in order to this to install. Just go here, search for Visio, and you can do this exercise. Just click here, Continue. And you can use all these other kinds of flow charts. I'm going to use the org chart because this is what I said I was going to do. I'm going to select the vertical layout. The add-in automatically gives us some example names. You can use this in order to understand how this works and play a little bit with it and use it. You need to refresh in order for these fields here to update. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to receive more tips like this. Thank you very much.